brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fat brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. I got my natural case. I got the hogs on the run.
BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some bacon cheeseburger fries at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, let's get started. You got to get yourself some ground beef. This here's some ground chuck. Try to use ground chuck anytime you get a chance, right, for that best taste and flavor. You know all about that, right? Now, you got to season the meat. Here we're throwing some of our SPG in. You can use what you want, some salt and pepper, but you gotta season the meat the way you like it, right? So we'll give it a good mix here. Oh yeah. Now, if you've never had bacon cheeseburger fries before, you definitely gotta check this out. Oh man, this is some good eating. Now, we're going to start by making about 1/3 pound burgers, right? Or about maybe 5 ounces each, about that size, all right? And, well, you know how to make burgers, right? But for those who don't, we'll just show you how it's done. Right? You want to flatten out the patties, about medium size like that. Again, they're 1/3 pounders, or about 5 ounces each. Now we have some bacon smoking here, all right? You're gonna need bacon for this recipe, obviously, because these are bacon cheeseburger fries, right? And how do we get a fry out of it? Just watch. Now we'll place these patties over direct heat. Nothing like a burger at the pit, right? And we're going to cook them all the way through. Now, just before pulling them off the grill, we'll put some cheese on, and of course use your favorite cheese. Here we're using some cheddar. Oh, baby. And through the miracle of time, these cheeseburgers are done. And here we're going to put them on some buns. And use a good quality bun, right? Now you set these cheeseburgers up the way you want. We're going to kind of do the standard method here. Got some diced onions, or small chopped onions. Here we got some chopped bacon. You do them the way you want. Now the food police will kick in here now, but just ignore them. Now we'll set our cheeseburgers up with some pickles, and here we've got a nice jalapeno. Add some heat to the meat. Ooh. And maybe some chuck. You could do some mustard. Whatever you want on your cheeseburgers. With the bun top on. I told you this is real easy to do, right? All right. Now, next step. And here's the magic. And this is a required step. You take a flat object, like a pan cover like this, and you squash them down. You squash them down good. It'll get all those great, awesome juices into the bun, right? Oh, man. Just like that. And just in case you fell asleep, I'll show you how to do another one. Oh. Now, the next step, we're going to make an egg wash, right? You know all about that. Just take some eggs, some water, some beer, some milk. You mix it up good. And we're going to use this to make our batter. Now here, of course, is a bag of chips. And use a kettle chip or a thick chip. Here we're using a rippled chip. And you want to crush them. Crush them fine. All right? Now, of course, without saying, use your favorite chips. All right. Now, let's put these bacon cheeseburger fries together. Now, here, you want to slice up your bacon cheeseburger into like thick-sized fries, right? Nice and thick, just like that. Let me show you another one. Now we've let the burgers cool down a little bit, makes for cutting them up a little bit easier. And of course, you don't have to make your own bacon cheeseburgers. If you got a good fry joint, makes a good cheeseburger, be my guest. Go get a bag full. Now we've dipped them in the egg wash. This is standard, like cooking fried chicken. Then went into some flour, back in the egg wash, and into the chips, just like that. Now, there's no way to avoid the slop, right? So the food police can say all they want. But this is the way you do it. In the egg batter, flour, back in the egg wash, and into the chips. And you can do these several hours before, as long as you let them sit in the refrige, right? Now, I think you know where we're going with this, right? We got some oil heating up right now. All right, we're doing some frying. We're about 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Use your favorite frying oil. Get it to the temperature you want, and you fry them. And remember, the bacon cheeseburger is already cooked, so what you're after is just to brown the batter, right? You can brown them light or get them nice and dark. That's pitmaster privilege. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh. And since we got the time, we'll show you a few more shots. Oh, man. It looks and smells just like chicken. Bacon cheeseburger chicken. And sure enough, the food police are trying to get in touch. Now be sure to make a bunch of these up because they're going to go fast. You hungry or what? All right, I say it's time to eat. But before that, take a listen. Crunch. Crunch with every bite. Now, of course, as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this pitmaster privilege. Oh, yeah. Nice.
I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some fries at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue shoes on.
Now you can serve these any way you want. Here we've got some cheese for dipping. got a good chup sauce. And take a look at that. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.